Hello, today I will show you how to use Docker. First, we have to install Docker. If we are on the Linux, we can copy and paste the command from the official Docker page. This command installs Docker. We have to enter the password and then wait a while Docker is being installed. Okay, now once Docker is installed, we can start the daemon. So we have to type sudo service docker start, and Docker is running. Okay, now we will try to create a container and run Firefox inside it. Firefox is application that is using a graphical user interface, so we have to set up an X11 connection between the host machine and the Docker container. To do it, before we will start creating a container, we will copy the authentication cookie. So we have to type its xauth list and copy our cookie. We will use it later. Okay, now we can start our container. So sudo docker run, it means this command allows us to run the container, and we have to specify two options: I, which stands for interactive, and T, which will attach the container to Docker. We have to also configure a network. So we will type net equals host, which means that container will share the network interface with host. It will allow us to both use internet inside Docker very easily without any other further configuration, and it also will allow the X11 connection to run on the local host. We have to also specify that environmental variable display will be the same inside container as on the host machine. It is needed to set up the X11 connection. The last property of the container will be -v /tmp dot x11 unix. It means that this file will be shared between host and container. This file is some kind of virtual device used to set up the X11 connection. Then we have to specify the name of image the container will run from. I will type Ubuntu, and if the image won't be found locally, Docker will in automatic way download it from from Docker Hub. The last option is name of application that will be run inside the container. Okay. If you are using this command for the first time, you will have to wait few minutes when the Ubuntu image is being downloaded. Now we are inside container, so try to run Firefox. Oh no, there is no Firefox. Of course, this is clean Ubuntu without any applications, so we have to install it. We are root, so I'm not using sudo. Okay, it will take a while. So Firefox is installed. So why not try to run it? There is problem with display. There's problem with display because we hadn't finished the X authentication. To do it, we have to install xauth. It will take a few seconds. Okay, and we are done. And the last step is to add our cookie. We have to paste the cookie we have copied on the host. So there is warning that the file does not exist, but it's not important. Let's check. Okay, and as we can see, Firefox is running. We can see the user interface. We can also use the internet. Okay, so thank you very much for watching.